The secret is to get in before they get you. Property up. And yeah, because still complications, especially the bank account. So yeah, it is really, really important. And the third one is one thing a lot of people probably don't even do, and that is your taxes. There's two types of taxes, of course. There is your non-resident tax and there is your resident tax. So if you're not a resident and you're not living in Spain for 6 months, 183 days a year, so you will qualify for the non-resident tax. And this is really important that you do this tax, because if you don't, you could be liable to hefty fines. So we're going to go through the non-resident tax. And the tax at leave is income generated by foreigners who do not have their main centre of economic activity in Spain. In other words, don't earn nothing in Spain. You've got no other than your property. You're not earning or anything from anywhere else. Only in the UK you're a non-resident tax, so you'd only be paying your normal declaration, and it has to be declared every year. So that is so important that you do this. But if you do have a rental property here in Spain, so that will come under the income also, even if you're a non-resident tax. So it has to be declared, and that's a flat rate of tax you'll be paying at 24%. Of course you can put expenses in, what expenses occurred, but many foreigners don't know that they need to pay this tax. And I've spoken to quite a few people that have just not bothered and didn't know anything about it. Well, the secret is to get in before they get you, because when they do go back to 5 years and they charge you, it's the massive penalty on top as well. And so it's really important you get that sorted out. And if you want to know the sanctions you could end up paying for that, well, the amount you fail to pay plus 100 or 150% of that sum. So yeah, it's a lot of money on top for just a little declaration that's not going to cost you anything. So it's it makes sense really, doesn't it, for all expats or anyone that's got the tax, non-resident tax, to do it. But yeah, they're giving you enough grace really. They're giving you the 4 years, even if you've not done it the first year and you might have fallen behind or for a couple of years. You know, 4 years they will go back to. That's your grace period finished, and then they'll start slapping this big percentage of fine on top of your tax that's owed. So yeah, really, really important, your taxes in Spain. But not to worry.